will get a option called scanned, and on that left side of it you will get the option called hacker alert. Do you want to provide security to your device or to keep your device safe from hackers? Or before the hackers hacks your device, you get a mail or notification and can take action against the hackers. So that what I will show you action against the hacker. So that what I will show you now. Watch the full video without speaking. Now this, you first have to install this app called AVG Antivirus from Google Play Store. For this, we have to go to the Google Play Store and search for AVG Antivirus. Then we will get the app. So you can see the app is installed on my device. I will open the app directly now. After opening the app, you will get an option called scanned, and on that left side of it, you will get the option called hacker alert. Then you will click on the hacker alert from here. After clicking on hacker alert, will you get an option to add a Gmail. For this, you have to click on add email and then you will get the sign in option. From sign in, you have to click on create an account. Then you will give your Gmail here, and after giving the Gmail, you will continue. Now they will send me mail. Now I will open my Gmail and see if they have to send mail. So you can see here, but they have mailed me in the spam box. Now I will open the email and confirm it. So to confirm the email, you have to click on verify. So after click on verify, you will get a new tab. So in the web tab, you have to give your specific password. So after giving the password, you will continue. After continuing, it will show the password has been set up. That you will continue from here. After connecting, you will see your account on this OS of this AVG Antivirus app, and you will can see different option here and manage it. Then you will go to AVG Antivirus apps, and there you will go login in your Gmail and password. So you can see this my account has been logged in here. From here, now I will add my Gmail here. You can see that is my Gmail has been added here. Then you will click on the start monitoring from here. So you can see that from here you will do it okay, and apps will monitoring your device all the time. And when a hacker hacks your device or try to leak your password, every device will notify you and by your email to your Gmail. And you will immediately understand that is your device is being tried to be hacked. So like today, how did you like this video so far? Please comment to get us informative videos. You must subscribe to our YouTube channel. Apart from this, there are various videos related to protection from different types of hacking and device tracking. You can visit our channel and watch them. Stay well and stay healthy. Thank you very much to everyone.